15 Ways to Make Money Online in 2023 for Beginners by CyclonicMotivation. Don't work for money, let money work for you. Robert Kiyosaki. Ever wondered how the digital age has made millionaires out of ordinary people? Ever thought about turning your free time into productive cash-making hours? Well, today's your lucky day. Stick around till the end to find out how you can harness the power of the internet and change your financial future. Number 1. Freelancing. Ever heard the saying, be your own boss? Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer services ranging from graphic design to writing. Think of it as selling your skills by the hour or project. Number 2. Blogging. Imagine making money from writing about your passion. By placing ads on your blog or working with sponsors, your hobby could be your next paycheck. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. It's like recommending a movie to a friend, but in this case, you get paid for every purchase made using your recommendation link. Sites like Amazon and ClickBank can be your playground. Number 4. Online tutoring. If you excel in a subject or skill, why not teach others? Platforms like Tutor, Varsity Tutors, or Chegg are great places to start. Number 5. Selling products online. Websites like Etsy or eBay let you turn your crafts or old items into cash. Think of it as a digital garage sale. Number 6. Stock photography. Got an eye for photography? Sites like Shutterstock and Getty Images can be a great way to sell your photos. Number 7. Dropshipping. Imagine selling products without even holding stock. You just forward orders to a supplier and they handle the rest. Number 8. YouTube channel. Turn your passion into content. Whether it's cooking, traveling, or gaming, every view can equate to money. Number 9. Online surveys and reviews. Share your opinion and get paid. Websites like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks reward you for just that. Number 10. Ebooks and online courses. Transform your expertise into a digital product. Platforms like Udemy or Amazon Kindle are goldmines for educators. Number 11. App development. Got a game-changing app idea? Turn it into a reality and let it be the next big thing on Google Play or App Store. Number 12. Real estate crowdfunding. You don't need millions to invest in property. Websites like Fundrise allow you to start with just a few $100s. Number 13. Virtual assistant. Assisting professionals digitally can be a lucrative job. From managing emails to scheduling, you can do it all from your couch. Number 14. Podcasting. Got something to say? Start a podcast. With ads and sponsorships, your voice can be your income source. Number 15. Social media management. Brands are always looking for experts to manage their online presence. If you're savvy with platforms like Instagram or Facebook, this could be your gig. The digital world is vast, and there's plenty of room for everyone. So, which method caught your eye? Dive in, start today, and let the internet be your golden goose. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for Cyclonic Motivation, and let's continue this journey of success together.